Hi, welcome to my Excel solving channel. Today I will discuss about day 2 to go beginners to pro level. Today I will discuss about number format. This is a number and that is a general format. If you want to convert it number format, then go on this drop down and click on number. This is number format. If you want to increase or decrease decimal, then you have to click on in here. This is increase decimal. If you click on here, it is decrease decimal. Then if you want to change it currency format, then click on currency. If you want to date format, then click on date. This is short date. If you want long date, that is long date. This is time format, and that is percentage. That is fraction. This is integer number. If you write in here 45.78, that is fraction number. Okay. That is text number. I will discuss about text more after when I will discuss about advanced level. Okay. Then in here more number formats. If you click in here more number formats, then a pop-up coming. That is one method. Another method is you can see here an icon. If you click this icon, this pop-up will be open. Then you can change this format as your specific demand. Okay. If you click in here, then the number change as this format, right? If you click in here in this, that is the formatting number. Okay. Please try to practice every option. If you don't understand any option, please comment me in my video. I will of course reply in your comment. Okay. If you like to this video, please comment me in my video and stay with me. If you want more video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.